Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to file an income tax return for a salaried person in a clear and beginner-friendly way. Even if you have never filed taxes before, this process will feel simple once you understand the steps. First, collect all your important documents. This includes your salary slips, Form 16 provided by your employer, bank statements, interest certificates, and proof of investments or deductions like insurance, savings, or home loan interest. Having everything ready saves time and avoids mistakes. Next, visit the official income tax filing portal of your country and log in using your registered credentials. If you are a first-time user, complete the registration using your personal details and verify your account. Once logged in, go to the File Return section and select the correct assessment year. Now choose the appropriate return form for salaried individuals, which is usually meant for people earning income mainly from salary and interest. Start by confirming your personal details, such as name, address, and bank account information. Make sure these details match your official records. Then move to the Income section and enter your salary details exactly as mentioned in Form 16. This includes basic salary, allowances, bonuses, and any other taxable components. After entering salary income, add income from other sources like bank interest or fixed deposits if applicable. Now go to the Deductions section. Here, claim deductions under applicable sections for investments like retirement savings, life insurance, health insurance, tuition fees, or home loan interest. Enter these amounts carefully based on your documents. Once deductions are entered, the system will automatically calculate your taxable income and tax liability. Review this calculation closely to ensure accuracy. If your employer has already deducted tax at source, those details will be pre-filled or can be entered manually. This amount will be adjusted against your final tax payable. If the system shows tax due, proceed to pay it online using net banking, debit card, or other available options. If a refund is due, verify your bank account details to receive the refund directly. Before submitting, review the entire return once again, checking income figures, deductions, and personal details. After confirming everything is correct, submit the return. The final step is verification. You can verify your return online using OTP, net banking, or other electronic methods. Once verified, you will receive an acknowledgement confirming successful filing. Save this acknowledgement and keep all related documents safely. Filing your income tax return on time as a salaried person helps you stay compliant, avoid penalties, and maintain a clean financial record for the future. Subscribe the channel for more videos.